Out of my ear, kid.
Out of my ear, kid.
Okay, now what I'm going to do
What?
is I'm going to try to do some type of long pull. Okay?
Okay.
Like this. Try to bump it. That's not funny. Out of my ear.
Out of my ear.
Okay, ready? Look.
Miles, can you say hot, hot, hot? And then trash. Trash.
It's gonna hit it.
It's quite the vocabulary these days.
Oh! Hey, out of my ear.
Hey, out of my ear.
Let's go in his ear.
You're gonna get
No,
one.
in Owen's ear. Owen's ear.
No, not my ear.
No, Owen's ear.
No, not my ear.
Now he's in his own
Ear.
ear.
Daddy. Daddy, look what's coming. Ah.